Hello everyone, welcome to another series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Law Commission of India. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, the Centre constituted the 22nd Law Commission of India with Justice retired Rituraj Awasthi, former Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court, as its head. Now let's discuss what is Law Commission. The Law Commission of India is a non-statutory body constituted by the Government of India from time to time. The first Law Commission of Independent India was established in 1955 for a 3-year term. It was headed by Mr. M.C. Setalvad. The first Law Commission was established during the British Raj era in 1834 by the Charter Act of 1833. It was chaired by Lord Macaulay. It works as an advisory body to the Ministry of Law and Justice. Now moving on to its composition. It has no fixed composition, no defined eligibility criteria for its chair and members. It usually consists of one chairman, one member secretary, one permanent member, usually a retired judge of either a high court or the Supreme Court, two part-time members and two ex officio members. The commission may undergo some changes in its structure depending on the needs and orders of the government. Now let's have a look at its functions and reports. The Law Commission undertakes research in law and review of existing laws in India for making reforms therein. It enacts new legislation on a reference made to it by the central government or suo motu. Reports. To date, 277 reports have been submitted by various law commissions since its very first inception in 1955. The reports and recommendations made by the Law Commission are non-binding. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements regarding the Law Commission of India. 1. It is a non-statutory body constituted by the Government of India from time to time. 2. The first Law Commission of Independent India was established in 1955 for a 5-year term. Which of the above given statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.